One day, Mr. Blue got an idea to start a startup with a product. He noticed how frustrated people got when orders were delayed. That spark gave him an idea for a shop that caters to the product that could save people time. Before rushing in, Mr. Blue knew he had to test if people actually wanted the product. He spent weeks talking to the product users and delivery partners. He asked questions, collected feedback, and even handed out small surveys. The results were clear. People crave faster, smarter service and a quality product. With insights in hand, Mr. Blue sketched out how the product should work. He focused on three things that people wanted most: quality product, real-time updates, and loyalty rewards. The idea was no longer just a thought, it was becoming a reality. Mr. Blue knew that location mattered. He researched the neighborhood to find where transportation and resources and customers were easy to get. After scouting, he picked a spot that catered to his needs of transportation, resources, and customers. Mr. Blue built a small prototype and tested its feasibility. The solution worked. Orders were delivered faster, customers were happier. His startup dream was no longer just an idea, it was alive.